I'm the world's expert on vampires. Some people even call me a vampire.
I'm worried that I might be becoming a vampire!
Mr. Clown, I assure you have nothing to worry about.
Oh, really?
I'm the vampire expert, and I would know if you were gonna become a vampire.
Oh, you would? What are the signs?
First of all, garlic.
Oh, I love garlic. I love garlic bread and garlic on pizza, and I love all kinds of garlic. Oh, get that away from me! That must have been some bad garlic or something, because I usually like garlic. Whoa, Peter, what else do they have?
Heightened senses like hearing, smelling, and sight.
Oh boy, do you hear that howling? I can't hear you. It's so loud.
What howling? All I hear is your voice.
What? Woo! Are you gaslighting me? Woo! Okay, Wolfie, stop howling! Okay, I'm sorry, Peter. You were saying something about heightened senses and hearing and stuff, but I didn't have any of that, so carry on.
Next, okay, they have sensitivity to sunlight.
Oh, I love the beach! I you know, they're just sitting there, tanning, watching the ocean, getting...
I'll just turn these blinds up.
Hidden by the sun is really... Oh! Put that down! Put that shade down! Oh boy, that's weird. I usually love the sunlight. Is there any other signs?
Well, they have razor-sharp teeth to bite their victims.
Oh, well, I just went to the dentist and I have perfect teeth, see?
You have fangs too?
Yes, that's because I am a vampire!
But I'm a vampire!
What am I gonna be for my Halloween party? It has to be something really scary. Oh, I got it. Woohoo! Oh, I want to suck your blood. Huh. Milton and Ozzy, I'm gonna scare them.
I can't believe it's my very first costume party.
Yeah, that's great.
This Halloween is so exciting, Milton, because I'm
Ozzy.
a mummy.
Yeah, I know you are,
And you're
Ozzy.
a mummy, too. We're like mummy twins. Hey, everybody, here come the mummy twins.
Ozzy, hey, come back here.
Wait. Oh, I'll get the next ones. Oh, I better rehearse my scares. I want to... Oh. Huh. Wee! A little high. Why? Oh. Oh, boy. Oh. Whoa, I'm a scary, Oh, what am I? You'll never... Ah! Boo? No, not confident enough? Okay, I'll try it again. I hate a flower. Boo! Ah! Ooh, I scared myself. Uh-oh.
We should tell jokes. You want to tell a joke with me?
Well, sure.
First you say
And
knock
nobody
knock.
even knows my costume. They just think I'm an
Knock,
alien.
knock.
I don't know about this
Come
party,
in.
though, man. Where's Mr. Claps?
Okay, now I'm really gonna scare them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I really scared them this time. That was awesome. Jason! Oh, still got it! I'm the scariest vampire on Halloween!
What are you looking for, Mr. Clown?
Subscribers. They're out there.